Cybersecurity tips for protecting your digital life. In an era where our lives are increasingly intertwined with the digital world, protecting our online presence is more critical than ever. This video is designed for tech enthusiasts who are eager to learn practical strategies for safeguarding their digital assets. We'll explore key cybersecurity measures that can be easily integrated into your daily routine, providing peace of mind in the face of evolving threats. Cybersecurity refers to the practices and technologies designed to protect networks, devices, and data from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. As threats become more sophisticated, it's essential to stay informed and proactive. This video will equip you with the understanding needed to build a robust digital defense. One of the most basic yet effective measures for securing your digital life is using strong, unique passwords. Each account should have a distinct password that is difficult for others to guess but easy for you to remember. Managing multiple strong passwords can be daunting, which is where password managers come in. These tools help you create, store, and autofill complex passwords, ensuring that each of your accounts is protected without the burden of memorizing them all. To set up a password manager, start by choosing a reputable service. Once installed, you can begin generating strong passwords for your accounts. Remember, the master password for your manager should be particularly robust since it unlocks all other credentials. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, provides an additional security layer. By requiring something you know, your password, and something you have, a code sent to your phone, 2FA greatly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your accounts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching. Most major services offer 2FA as a security option. To enable it, navigate to your account settings, select security options, and follow the prompts to link your account with your mobile device or an authenticator app. Software updates often contain patches that address newly discovered vulnerabilities. By keeping your operating systems and applications up to date, you protect yourself from security loopholes that could be exploited by cybercriminals. Enable automatic updates for your devices whenever possible. This ensures that you receive new security patches promptly. For software that doesn't offer automatic updates, make a habit of checking for updates regularly to maintain the highest level of protection. Phishing attacks are deceptive attempts to trick you into revealing personal information by posing as trustworthy sources. Identifying phishing emails usually involves spotting red flags such as generic greetings, spelling errors, and suspicious URLs. If you receive an unexpected request for sensitive information, verify its legitimacy before taking any action. Contact the supposed source directly using official channels, not the contact information provided in the suspicious message. Enhance your browser security by installing extensions that block ads and trackers, ensuring private and secure browsing. Always check for HTTPS in the URL bar to confirm the security of the sites you visit, especially when entering personal information. Public Wi-Fi networks pose a significant security risk, as they are often less secure than private connections. When you must use them, ensure your data remains protected by using a VPN, or virtual private network. Select a VPN that provides strong encryption, no-log policies, and fast connection speeds. Setup is usually straightforward. Download the app, select a server, and connect. This will keep your data encrypted and secure from potential eavesdroppers. Your home network needs as much protection as your devices. Start by changing default router settings, such as administrative passwords, and ensure you're using the most secure encryption protocol available on your router, like WPA3. Drilling down into network encryption, each protocol varies in security level. It's crucial to understand that WPA3, the latest standard, provides the most robust protection against unauthorized access to your network. Firewalls act as barriers between your network and potential threats. Regularly check that your firewall is active on all hardware connected to the internet and configure it to block unauthorized access. Securing your files with encryption adds an additional layer of security. This involves using software to encode your data, making it inaccessible without the proper decryption key. This is particularly vital for sensitive files stored locally or in cloud services. Backing up your data is a safeguard against data loss due to cyber attacks like ransomware. Regular backups enable you to recover your information without paying a ransom. Consider using a hybrid approach of both cloud storage and external hard drives for redundancy. To establish a backup regimen, select a service or tool that fits your needs. Many offer automated solutions that run in the background. Schedule them at frequent intervals to ensure the most recent data is always secured. Keep vigilance over your accounts by monitoring login activities. Many services offer notifications for suspicious activities. It's crucial to configure these alerts to quickly detect and respond to any unauthorized attempts to access your accounts. Social media, a significant part of our digital life, needs specific attention. Adjust privacy settings to control who can see your information in posts, and avoid oversharing personal details that could be used for nefarious purposes. Share your cybersecurity insights with friends and family. Encouraging others to adopt safe practices creates a more robust community defense against digital threats. This simple act can significantly reduce the risk of cyber threats impacting your network. If you suspect a security breach, act quickly. Change passwords immediately, check account activities for unauthorized transactions, and contact the service provider's security team. If necessary, report the incident to authorities and seek professional help. Unused apps may be a forgotten risk. Regularly audit your devices and uninstall any apps you no longer use. This limits potential entry points for malicious software and improves your overall system performance. Staying informed about the latest cybersecurity threats is essential. Follow trusted sources, such as cybersecurity blogs and organizations, to receive timely alerts about new vulnerabilities and protection strategies. While it's crucial to stay informed, it's also important to avoid information overload. Focus on the most critical and applicable security measures and maintain a manageable cybersecurity routine that you can sustain long-term. Participate in forums and online groups dedicated to cybersecurity. These communities are excellent resources for learning new tips, sharing experiences, and staying informed about the latest trends and threats. A glossary of technical terms can be a handy resource as you dive deeper into cybersecurity practices. Refer to this glossary to clarify any unfamiliar terms and enhance your understanding of the topics discussed in this video. By integrating these cybersecurity tips into your daily life, you can significantly enhance your online security and protect your digital assets. Remember that vigilance is key in the ever-evolving landscape of digital threats. Stay informed, stay proactive, and empower yourself and others to maintain strong cybersecurity practices. As you take these steps, you'll ensure not just your security but also contribute to a safer digital world for everyone. Like, share, subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.